This is the TECNO POVA Curved 2, a slim and lightweight phone, and yet this guy packs a massive 8,000 mAh capacity. That's just one of the many great aspects of this phone that we like so far. There's the display, improved connectivity, the unique design, and we're gonna talk all about it in this video. I'm your host CJ, and without further ado, roll that intro. Right off the bat, probably the best thing about the POVA Curve 2 is that large battery capacity. This thing barely measures 8mm, and yet TECNO was able to throw in an 8,000 mAh battery inside. We ran the tests and the phone was able to achieve 19 hours and 35 minutes of battery life in our PC Mark test. That's already a solid result, and it's even better on typical usage, comfortably lasting us for more than 2 days before charging. Charging is also quick thanks to the 45 watts charging that refills the battery by 50% in about 36 minutes and 100% in a little over an hour. And with reverse wired charging support, it also doubles as an emergency power bank to charge my other devices and accessories. Not to mention, there's also bypass charging, which is great for those long gaming sessions. For those who didn't know, bypass charging allows the phone to directly draw power from the wall charger rather than using the battery. This leads to less battery degradation over time. So even after years of usage, its battery health remains near to full capacity, which I think is great for those who'd like to keep using their phones for several years. Now, performance is something TECNO doesn't really skimp on, especially for a POVA series smartphone such as this. Under the hood, the POVA Curve 2 is equipped with the Dimensity 7100 chipset, along with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Taking a look at our benchmarks, the phone was able to hit almost 830K in Antutu version 11, and that already gives us an idea as to how it performs. Navigating around is fairly smooth and responsive. You can do a decent amount of multitasking, and gaming is also pretty good. Playing mobile games like Mobile Legends, the phone was surprisingly able to hit 120 frames per second or 120 FPS consistently throughout matches, and there was no obvious stutters even during clashes. For shooter games like Call of Duty Mobile, we're getting at least 90 FPS on low graphics, Battle Royale mode, which is still smooth regardless. And if you're gaming on the go, this phone has you covered with a more reliable network and signal reception, which we'll talk about next. The POVA Curve 2 has these dual signal chips designed to boost signal reception for Wi-Fi and network connectivity. TECNO says that the Wi-Fi chip brings stronger Wi-Fi reception by 60%, and the G1 chip boosts signal reception by a whopping 200%. In our experience, there's definitely truth in those claims. For one, we can reliably connect to mobile data inside our office, wherein our personal phones struggle to have proper connection. We mostly rely on fiber internet, so this is actually useful for someone like us who constantly needs to have a reliable internet connection. And second, it's even more useful for when working outside, so it's gonna come in handy as a mobile hotspot for your laptop or whatnot. Now, another thing we like doing on the go is watching content, and on that note, the POVA Curve 2 delivers. It's with a 6.78-inch Curved AMOLED display, hence the name, rocking a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Watching movies, YouTube, or doom scrolling on socials has been an enjoyable experience. There's even Dolby Atmos support, improving audio quality. While most of you may prefer a flat screen, that's fair, the curved display here isn't really distracting. It just adds a more comfortable grip in the hand since the frame and the back panel are also curved. It's also quite good at mistouch prevention, especially on the edges. Speaking of the back panel, we can't ignore that unique, almost futuristic look. TECNO calls it the interstellar spaceship design, and what's interesting about it is the minimalist approach, and we honestly like that. Our unit is in the misty purple colorway. It weirdly looks premium in our opinion. The triangular camera island layout works, which houses a 50-megapixel main shooter and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, by the way. The subtle accenting on the edges and the POVA moniker look nice, and that little detail on the bottom right corner, it balances out the overall design. This phone also has some tough build quality to boot. It has a 5-star SGS certification for drop and bend resistance, and it's also IP64 rated, offering dust and splash resistance. The display also gets a layer of added protection with Gorilla Glass 7i. And those are some of our most favorite features about the POVA Curve 2. So far, this is looking like a good option for gamers, power users, those who travel a lot, and even motorcycle riders out there. This large 8000 mAh battery provides enough juice for gaming, the overall performance is great for multitasking and everyday use, and the dual signal chip delivers the reliability that riders and travelers want when they're out and about. So, if you're looking for a smartphone that lasts, the TECNO POVA Curve 2 is one to consider. It's been out for a while now, priced at 16,999 pesos. But how about you? What do you think of the TECNO POVA Curve 2 so far? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, our full review of this phone is gonna come out soon, so stay tuned for that. If you find this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe to the channel and follow us on our socials for more tech news and reviews. Again, this has been CJ and I'll see you guys in the next review. Bye! See you later!